Apple's AirPods are among the most popular wireless headphones for a reason. They deliver solid audio quality, offer seamless pairing with iPhones, and feature sleek designs. But with several models available, choosing the right one can be tricky. And that's why we've tested every option to determine which AirPods are best for different needs. For most people, the best choice is the AirPods Pro 2, Apple's flagship earbuds. They feature active noise cancellation, an in-ear design, and a wireless charging case. Compared to the first-gen model, they offer richer sound and twice as powerful noise canceling thanks to Apple's H2 chip. While they can't match the ANC performance of competitors like the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra, they still provide top-tier noise blocking and an excellent transparency mode for awareness. The in-ear design ensures a secure fit with customizable ear tips for comfort. The USB-C case is now dust-resistant, along with being water and sweat-proof. Plus, Apple includes oral health features like a hearing aid function and a hearing test via iPhone. For those looking for a more affordable choice, the AirPods 4 are the way to go. Unlike the AirPods Pro 2, they have a semi-open fit rather than an in-ear seal. They come in two versions, without ANC for $129, the cheapest AirPods available, often on sale for as low as $99, and with ANC and wireless charging for $179, offers solid noise canceling for the price. Although ANC isn't as strong as on the AirPods Pro 2, it's surprisingly effective for open-fit earbuds. They also have a comfortable design, making them the best choice for people who dislike the in-ear seal of the Pro models. If you want the best audio experience and don't mind a premium price, the AirPods Max are Apple's over-ear headphones. They offer superior sound quality, spatial audio, and excellent noise cancellation. In tests, they outperformed competitors like the Bose 700 and Sony WH-1000XM4. However, their included case is lacking and they're expensive at $549, although discounts appear throughout the year. Apple recently updated the AirPods Max with USB-C, but unlike the older Lightning model, the new version doesn't support wired audio playback. When deciding which AirPods to buy, consider the price. AirPods 4 are at $129 to $179, AirPods Pro 2 go for $249, and AirPods Max go for $549. As well as the sound quality and noise canceling, the fit and in-ear goes for AirPods Pro 2, the open fit are AirPods 4, and the over-ear are AirPods Max. For best overall performance, go with the AirPods Pro 2. For budget-friendly needs, choose the AirPods 4. And if premium sound and ANC matter most, the AirPods Max are your best bet. And that's our breakdown. Which AirPods are your top pick? Let us know in the comments.